What's up, it's me Kiara, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little first impressions, little try-in video to see if this thing works. Today I'm going to be trying the Mina IBrow Henna. If you guys can see, I kind of groomed my eyebrows before this video. I always had like a really nice natural shape to my eyebrows, but if you guys can see, but the ends of my eyebrows is like super sparse. I've been looking into eyebrow tinting, and most people usually just get the men's beard dye, and I didn't want to like get that, spend $8 on it just to like make the whole tube, and I can't really like reuse it again. So I opted for this. I got the color dark brown. This packet should last me 10 dyes, and there's 3 packets in here, so I should get like 30 uses out of this little thing. If you guys can see, 19 nice and gold. It comes with a little dip spoon for you to mix. It comes with a little water dropper. It comes with a little tube, so when you open this packet and you just do like your little scoop, the extra you pour in here so you can use it for next time. And then it comes with a little mixing bowl. So without further ado, let's get onto the video. So this is how much you get in the packet and the tube, or in how much I think I would be using. So now that I have the powder in this bowl, I'm just going to be using the little dropper, and then I have a little bowl of water right here just going to be dropping it in here. Okay, so that's 4. Yeah, with this little spoon is kind of hard, so I'm going to be using this end to mix it. It says that you want it to be a little thick, so if you guys can see, it is sticking together, so I'm going to add more water. You guys can see the consistency. It kind of looks like mud. I have this all mixed up. I'm going to be using my eyebrow brush. This is just a NYX brow brush. It has a spoolie at the end and then the little angle, so I can apply it. It said that it comes with a brush, but I seen on Amazon, I think it's sold separately. Any eyebrow tool will work. I'm gonna do this one first. This is usually my good brow. So here is the before. I'm gonna start at the tail of my brow, since that's the part I want it to be the darkest at. So I want it to be arched more, so I just went and got a Q-tip just to erase some of this. You feel? You feel? So the amount that I made did actually allow me to do both brows. Then I have this much left over, so you really don't need a lot. I'm going to leave this on for an hour. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna wipe off like the front so it's not so black. This is supposed to be dark brown, so we will see about that. I actually like the shape of my brows. They are kind of getting like a little stiff, but I'm just going to use a Q-tip and straighten like all the lines up. Okay, so it's been about like 15, actually I think it's been like 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna wipe off the front part of my brows so they're not too dark. You know, we want the ombre effect. So I just have a paper towel. I'm just gonna hold it right here because it's kind of hardened. And just wipe it down, wipe. Ooh, snap cow. May have left it on a little too long. Then about another 15 minutes, I would say, but I can't have this on my brows for too much longer because honestly it's starting to get a little tingly, so I'm going to wipe it off. So I just have the same napkin that I wiped the front pieces off, and I'm just going to be pressing and wiping it off. I'm just gonna let it soak so it can soften, rubbing at my brows super hard so it can soften, and I think it would just come off easier that way. So go the opposite way. Y'all, this is dark. I honestly should have got like the light brown. Aww, look at my brows. It's a little dark, but it will fade, so I'm kind of happy, and it just looks so good. Like, ooh! So on to the other brow. You guys, this literally just looks so good. Like, if I can just wake up and my brows are just, which I can now. This honestly looks good. So like I said, it is a little bit dark, but I kind of like my brows to be dark, and it will fade. So like by tomorrow, like this time, it should be a little bit lighter. I don't know if I'll update you guys tomorrow, but I definitely will put it on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you head over there right now and follow me on Instagram. Also follow Legends page. The links are going to be on the screen as well as down below, so make sure you follow the both of us. And I'm definitely going to be keeping you guys posted on these brows of how it works. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown, so I thought, you know, it would kind of be like the same thing, but it's not. This is dark as heck. This is like ebony in Anastasia. But if I do come up, I should have wiped off, sorry, I can't zoom, but I should have wiped off the front pieces a little bit sooner because they are still kind of dark. But from far away, I think this looks so good. Like, it's just gonna make me so happy waking up like this tomorrow morning and not even have to do anything for my brows. I promise you. Guys, I'm so happy! I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My brows literally turned out exactly how I wanted them, which is so amazing for this first impression. If you guys are interested in purchasing this, I will put a link down in my description box. It is not an affiliate link, so go check it out. If not, just go on Amazon and type in Mina Henna brow and it should pop right up. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I absolutely love the results. They look so amazing and just natural. They are kind of, I don't know, I keep going back and forth, like Maybe it's just this lighting that's making it super dark, but I actually really do like my brows. So make sure you guys pick up your Mina Henna brow if you guys like the results of these. Make sure you guys stay connected with me and Legend on all of our social medias. The links are going to be down below as well as on the screen. And until next time, guys, bye.